This sequence of MRI scans shows the movement of a tapeworm inside a person's brain over 4 years. Scientists in Cambridge say the parasite, measuring up to 2 centimetres, had never been reported in the UK before. The patient, a 50-year-old Chinese man, is believed to have been infected on a trip to his home country. He was admitted to hospital suffering headaches and seizures, but neuropathologist Andrew Dean said initial tests left doctors baffled.
Unexpectedly, the centre of gravity of the lesion was moving slowly from one side of the brain, in fact over into the other cerebral hemisphere, leaving a kind of trail of scar tissue behind it.
After successful removal from the brain, they found the tapeworm had travelled about 5 centimetres. Dr. Hayley Bennett from the Wellcome Trust Sanger Institute was part of the team enlisted to identify the species. They sequenced one particular gene, known as the barcode of life.
We take that DNA and we chop it up into manageable pieces, and we actually read the sequence of the DNA, so that's A, T, C's and G's, 100 letters at a time. And it's sort of like a linear jigsaw puzzle where you're trying to piece together all this information.
Dr. Matthew Berryman says their genomic research will benefit scientists the world over.
By producing a genome sequence, we're laying open the instruction manual to an organism. Scientists from all over the world can now dip into those data, and instead of having to do early experiments, they can explore their own hypotheses just using the data itself.
Infectious disease consultant Dr. Efrosini Grania-Klostas hopes this will lead to more effective medication.
Our drugs are very crude in a way, they're very blunt instruments. So understanding more what the parasite is likely to respond to helps us design medications that are better for this particular type of infection. Also gives us insights on how to go about designing medications for all kinds of parasites.
Doctors report the patient is now systemically well, with no notable side effects after hosting the tapeworm for so long.